and thank you for giving us that opportunity. So shall I go ahead and share my screen?
Please go ahead.
So let me know if you can see my screen.
Yes, we can see your screen.
So I'll just take a few minutes. I'm here representing Harappa, just going to walk you through a program called the Placement Readiness Program that we've put together as part of Harappa Education. And as part of that, just walk you through some of the first sort of, resurface some of the challenges that institutions, students, and employers are really facing with respect to the whole idea of skills and placements, and then walk you through a solution that we've come up with, with respect to placements, and just outlining some elements of that particular solution. So obviously the stakes are higher than ever because of the state we are in right now. And while there are challenges that institutions are facing with respect to the pandemic and placements, I think the challenge goes far deeper and far more at the core of what's really happening at the intersection of academia and industry. The challenges really stem from three groups. One is obviously industry, which is, there's this tension about employability and a discussion around, how do we get students ready for the workplace? A certain sort of set of challenges from students who are, thoroughly confused because of the choice that's available and really not sure what kind of jobs they need to pick up. And also the institutions with respect to the curriculum that needs to be followed, keeping these workplace demands in mind. So just diving a little deeper into some of this, which is, again, for students, thinking about a program or a plan which connects back to their careers, something that inspires them, gets them excited. One of the common challenges we hear from institutions is, when it comes to placements, we bring companies on campus, but students have challenges with respect to attention span. They don't take some of these processes seriously. So how do you solve for some of those aspects with keeping students in mind? That's one part. The second is really with respect to the institute itself around the idea of placements. And I understand that a lot of the programs right now happen while they're to some degree holistic, a little bit last minute, which is everybody scrambling towards the end, trying to get ready for that particular job. And last minute interview preparation and GDs to help students with skills. And the last really is about recruiters, which is there's that tension about what are the right skills that students have when they're actually interviewing, and are they really looking at that particular discussion for a job or something much larger in terms of a career. So with these sort of challenges, we've put the Harappa placement program or a readiness program together. This is really a high impact, personalized and outcome driven learning journey. The whole idea being to build good habits among students, keeping 21st century skills in mind. So with that, the program is really built around the Harappa curriculum, which is broken down into these 5 habits, helping students learn how to think, how to problem solve, communicate, collaborate, and lead. And each of these skills or courses are really building blocks, keeping the program in mind. So think of them as a little bit like Lego blocks that are built together. The journey is a mix and it's completely blended, keeping student aspirations and attention span in mind. So there are online courses, there's one-on-one coaching, there's industry connected sort of master classes, virtual workshops, peer group problem solving, reading material, and mock interviews and GD. So this is really a full-fledged interconnected system, keeping that particular placement aspect in mind. And something that is again personalized and driven by outcomes, tracking all of the elements that students go through. Some examples of the courses that students go through are mentioned here, broken down by each skill per habit. So one in lead, one in solve, one in think, communicate, and grow. Obviously, there's a strong sort of traction and measurement to how this program works. A lot of data in terms of how students are performing on these interviews, how are they performing on the courses, what are the exercises like, and all of this is glued together with a single placement readiness coach that really has all this data coming to him or her, who then uses this to personalize that journey keeping that outcome in mind. Just some sort of profiles of the coaches that we have, again, very, very well sort of connected to industry, folks who worked for a number of years across industries and domains, who have come on board to kind of solve for this need with giving students the skills for industry. And just some sort of quick profiles for me to show you over here. And just to wind up, a sample readiness calendar, which is again that holistic journey, what it could look like. This is a 1-year journey mixed with all of these elements that I spoke about, just to give you a sense of how it connects together. And finally, just wrapping up with some learners speak, some of the programs that we've done with other institutions, and looking forward to the opportunity of working with some of you as well. So thank you so much, and hope all of you have a great panel discussion. Thank you again for time.
Thank you, Nikhil. That was, I would say, a very brief and very effective presentation on the offerings of Harappa.